How to make 1 million views on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to have 3 of my videos that did 1 million views, and also the things that my girlfriend used to make one of her videos reach 10 million views. So I'm going to share with you things that worked. I myself made millions of views on TikTok and my girlfriend did as well. And so we're going to share with you the things that work for us. So it's not some kind of stuff that I read on some blog or just copy of another video. It's what I think is the most relevant for you if you want to grow on TikTok. The first thing that is really important, and that's the most important thing for me, is the quality of the content that you're going to put out there. Hashtags, a time of post, music, trends, whatever, it's good, but it's just a bonus. At the end of the day, it's does your content impact people? Is your content relevant? Is your content helpful? Is it good quality content? What is good quality content? What is helpful content? Something that helps people, something that it's not just a copy and paste of what's been done out there. Although you can copy and paste other content, I would advise you to have original content, and the most important thing is the hook. The hook is the first few seconds of the video. It's what will determine if people are going to stay and watch your video. If you have the right hook, people will stay and watch your whole video. This will increase the watch time, and if the watch time is quite high, TikTok will recommend your video to other people, and so it will become viral basically. So the hook, you need to have some sort of curiosity. It can be like, let's say you doing face cam video like I'm doing right now, a helpful video or where you share some knowledge or advice. You want to start the video by the promise, the hook. It can be a question, for example, how to do this without that, how to lose weight without going to the gym, how to be good at tennis without having an expensive racket. I'm just making stuff on the top of my mind right now. You want to give them how to do X, how to do X, X being the thing that they want the most, without Z, Z being the thing that they don't want to do or the problem that they're facing. So it can be how to lose weight without eating less, for example. But then you need to deliver and explain how to do that in the video, right? For example, one of my videos that worked the best was like how to make your first $100,000 with dropshipping without paying for any ads, which is great because people want to make $100,000 with dropshipping, but they don't want to pay for ads because it's annoying. You get blocked by Facebook, and also you need to pay for ads, right? So for example, how to get customers without paying for ads, how to get this without doing that. That's pretty good in terms of hook. You can also ask another question. For example, how much, one of my videos that worked the best, I think it did 1.7 million views. How much does it cost to start dropshipping? Something like that. So if you have that's a common question that people are asking. And so if you can reply to a common question, you can find like inspiration for that in the comments of your videos. If you have people asking you questions and these are like recurring questions, you can create a video addressing those questions, and usually that tends to perform great. Now, the editing style is important as well. You want to make your content engaging with a fast pace. And so the way I do it is I usually read a script when I create a TikTok video. It's not like my YouTube videos where, for example, this YouTube video, I have some bullet points and I'm just speaking. There's not much editing. But if you create TikTok videos, I would recommend to have a script, step-by-step script. So you will write a script sentence by sentence, and then you will read the script and cut in between each sentence, and this will make sure that you have a fast-paced video. You can also do some zoom in, zoom out, and add the subtitles because these subtitles will make people be more engaged. And also there's something with like reading, I don't know, I feel like when there are subtitles, I feel like I want to watch more of the video. I don't know if you've experienced the same thing. So starting with the hook, having a good promise, basically it's like the headline. It's like the first few seconds of the video really matter like a lot, because it's what will make people want to stay or not. Don't start the video by saying, hi, my name is Alex, today I'm going to show you how to do this and how to do that. No, you need to start with like how to do this without that, how to do this without that, or like just any question that people might ask themselves. Put yourself in the shoes of your followers, or put yourself in the mind of your target audience. What are the things that they are wondering? What are the questions that they're asking? You want to answer those things. And at the end of the day, it's a numbers game. Sometimes there are a few videos of mine that I find really great, that I spend a lot of time on the editing, but I post them and they make a few thousand views. And sometimes videos that are quite average, went on to make millions of views, so you don't really know, right? That's pretty much it. If you post 100 videos, some of them will go viral for sure, like, but you can't predict, you know. It's really hard, even for me, where I've had good results. Like I posted for 3 months, 1 video per day, and I went from 0 to 60,000 subscribers. I've had a few videos doing millions of views. I've had a few other videos doing like 500,000, and quite a lot of videos doing more than 100,000. And same, my girlfriend has, you know, a few videos doing more than 3 million views, a few videos doing millions of views and stuff like that. So we kind of like try to crack the code and try to, you know, reverse engineer and try to understand what's working the best and how to make sure the next video is gonna pop up. But sometimes it's not like you cannot predict 100%. So you can put all the chances on your side, but it's a numbers game. You have to post a lot of video, and if you do that, you will make sure that some of them will go viral and make 1 million views on TikTok. So something that I haven't talked about is hashtags and so on. You can use, I usually use like 4 to 5 hashtags within my niche. Most of the time it's always the same hashtags, kind of broad hashtags. Sounds, I use like a few trending sounds. Usually I use the same sound all over again. You know, I just posted a video that did well, and since then I'm using the same sound. You can also do trends, you know, with the background and stuff like that. You can reply to comments. That works well as great as well. You want to post at the time where your followers are the most active. Usually that's 5 to 9 p.m. depending on where are you based. For me, it's like I've noticed that the most active is 9 p.m. looking on the analytics, so I post a bit before that, like 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. That works great for me. But in the end, all those things don't really matter unless your content is great, it has a good hook, and also you deliver, right? Making people watch your content more than once is great as well. For example, one of my videos that did well is like how to find a winning product, and then I share the criteria as a screenshot, but it's really fast, so people have to watch the video more than once to be able to read the whole thing, and so it increases the watch time, and it makes the video being shown to more than it should, right? It makes the video go viral. So that's pretty much it for how to make a million views on TikTok. For me, the most important thing is the quality of the content and the hook. Now, if you want to start making money online and start, you know, selling stuff and create your own online business to become financially free, on TikTok, for example, on other social media, I created a free course, a free case study for you, just to show you exactly how you can do that step by step. That's exactly what I've been doing since 2016 and been making 6 figures with that. And so in this free course, I will show you how you can do exactly the same if you want to become financially free by creating content on TikTok. The link to access this free course is just below this video in the description. You can click the link and access this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.